You absolutely, positively must start your cleaning business right now, unless you're driving somewhere. Then at which point, pull over and start it. So many people never get around to actually starting the business, right? A lot of people talk about it. I'm gonna start the business one day. I'm gonna start the business. I'm gonna start the business next month. I'm gonna start the business next quarter. In 6 months, when I'm through this project, when I'm a little less busy. But the truth of the matter is, unless you're gonna be retiring in a month or two, you're not just gonna magically become less busy. So this video, I'm going to tell you exactly why you are ready right now, because I believe you need to hear it. Everyone does. And ultimately, some simple things that you can do from this video, it's gonna have you feeling like you've created some momentum. You're gonna create a win, a real time, maybe a handful of small wins. It's going to put you in motion to starting this thing. Because that's what I believe. All you need is that, right? Just like a sailboat, you just need a little bit of gust of wind. You need that. But first and foremost, brass tacks. Who the heck am I? And why should you even care what I have to say? My name is Mike Mack. I have been doing this a decade plus as an owner. I've been in this industry for as long as I could remember through my uncle's cleaning company. It's my life. I love it so much. I've built and sold 2 cleaning businesses, and I came down here, I moved down south, and I started a 3rd one. Why? Because I love it so much. So it's what I do. And I have been helping people do this. I've been helping busy professionals, make that transition from their job to starting their own successful high-ticket cleaning business. And I tell you, the difference between the people who just never do it and the people who actually go on to be really successful, it's really just that gust of wind in the beginning. It's just getting you to wrap your mind around the fact that there is no magic time. There's no, oh, that's when things will get easier. That's when things are gonna get a bit. No. Time's never coming. And the sooner you can accept that, the better off you're gonna be. So now let's talk about the gust of wind, because I'm not here to lecture you. I'm here, hopefully, to inspire a change in you. Hopefully ruffle a feather or two. That'd be pretty great. You could leave me a like below this video if I'm succeeding with that. I think it's so important right out of the gate. You want that gust of wind. That gust of wind is what I call momentum, right? That's all it is. What is the momentum point? Because how do we make this thing real? Well, I'm going to tell you something right now. The difference between where you are right now, like meaning, how do you actually make this thing feel real? A lot of people think it's, I'll set up my LLC. And I think that's a good thing. I think that would actually be a W for you. It's a good win. But ultimately, your first paying client, that's what makes this game real, really real. That's where you're gonna have this feeling of, oh, I can do this. And that's precisely where I need you to be. Because once you're there mentally, that's where you get into this place of wanting to build on this momentum. So the road is to get your first client. Get that first dollar in the door. You're getting money in the door. You place a cleaner there. Now you're feeling like you're starting to see this system work, and now you're going to be fired up. But before that, what's in the way? What are some simple things we can do? What can we tweak? What can we make happen while you're busy? While life is crazy. Step 1 is, let's name this business if you haven't already. I have many videos on this. Go into ChatGPT, prompt it by saying, hey, I don't want to be ABC Cleaning Company. I don't want to name the company after myself in case one day I may want to sell it. It is an asset after all. But name your company. I remember naming my first independent company. When I named it KinderClean, it just became real. It just became like, my wife and I, we put it on a board. I actually looked at a picture. It was like 3 years, it was like 3 years ago. I'm looking at I'm going really deep back in my catalog in my camera, and I saw when we put it on a whiteboard, and it was like, whoa, it became real. A business is it's like a baby, right? It's like, once that name's on that baby, it's a real baby. I'm kidding, but naming your company is going to be powerful, right? Because then you could start seeing it, and then you make it even more real if you go into like a logo creator. I mean, you could pay a freelancer to do it for like $100, or you can go into, you can just mess around with like AI. You can have ChatGPT come up with a logo for you. I don't think it's going to be the best, but it doesn't matter. It's just to get you started. Once you add an identity to this company, you are one step closer. I mean, you are so much closer to landing that first client. Because once you get that, I'm telling you, once the dollars come in the door, there's no stopping you. There's going to be no stopping you because you're going to have that taste. It's like a vampire, right? You get a little taste of like, oh, or that's a werewolf. I'm confusing stuff. Anyway, hope the point is landing home. And then from there, at that point, another W you want to create is setting it up legally. It could be, getting an LLC. It could be going to your local town and just creating a DBA, sole proprietorship. There's so many things there. Not a tax person. I'm not the person to talk to on the legal part of setting up your company. That's not the point of this video. The point of this video is to make it legal. Because now, at that point, we're talking identity plus it's legal. So now you are even closer. From that point, the only thing stopping you from getting your first clients, once you have the identity set up and you're legal, is, like I'm talking about legitimately bare bones. The only thing in the way at that point is I would just spend an hour setting up your social medias, and then your website. Simple website. Obviously, in time, you want to upgrade these things, but for right now, we're talking about fastest point to the dollar, and now you're there. And keep in mind here, don't confuse this video for me telling you like you're going to build like this little side hustle where you're going to get a bunch of $100 gigs. No, I'm talking about once you get to this point, we're still targeting the right clients. We're targeting offices with at least a $3,000 per month budget. That's what we're talking about. $3,000 to $10,000. That's the sweet spot. And you may be thinking, I don't have experience, Mike. How can I do that? You lost me. You had me. I was right there. I was so excited, but I don't have experience. Excuse. You hire an experienced cleaner your first round. That's it. Hire somebody who's been doing it 3, 5, even 7 years. I mean, I turn those folks away. I like starting completely brand new, but that's because my systems are dialed in. So I don't want to unteach, meaning I don't want people having to unlearn to do the thing they need to do. And ultimately, I believe you should get there. But for your first couple of hires, that's all it takes. Just hire people with more experience than you. These are going to be people, as you start landing accounts, your first couple of cleaners are most likely going to be your first manager. Your manager is going to keep you home. You're never going to have to pick up supplies, drop off supplies. But again, to stick with this area, once you have your website, identity complete, you're legally set up, then it becomes your marketing, and that's all. And that is, let me simplify marketing. It's letting people who don't know you exist, letting them know you exist, right? Now, there's different qualities to that game. I mean, it's not all the same, but it doesn't matter because we're not going for perfection, because perfectionism is why you're watching a video like this instead of starting. I'm demystifying the process here. That's all you need to do to be one step away. That's it. You're right there. Now, are there things to improve that? Sure. For sure. Are you going to make the best logo to start? No, probably not. Is your name going to be missing a little bit? Maybe, maybe not. Who knows, right? But that's not going to stop you getting your first client. Not having experience is not going to stop you getting your first client. That is the whole point in this video. I'm trying to show you that you're so close. I'm trying to show you that a few days of like dedicated work and you're ready to market. Do I think, you could take a little bit more time? Of course you can, but now is the best time to start. It's the best time to create these wins. And I'm telling you right now, there's nothing stopping you from doing what I just told you. This is a weekend. You can do this over your lunch break. You're watching a video like this, you should have ChatGPT open in a separate window. Just start playing with names. You know that building this is going to be the asset. It's going to give you freedom. It's going to give you more options. At this point, the only thing stopping you from making this a reality is you. Don't do that. Don't do that. And if you are somebody who you're like, I get it, Mike, it sounds good, but I do want to avoid the trial and error. I do want my hand held through this process. I even would love if you can help me build all this out for me because I am busy. Well, that's what we do. If that's interesting to you, click the first link in the description. Have a talk with my team. We'll show you how we can help you get there. Show you, if nothing else, you at least have a clear roadmap. That is what we do. If that makes sense, click the first link in the description. If you would prefer to keep learning more about this model before you could really go all in, watch this video right here. Hit that like button. I'll see you on the next one.